First Class Travel presents the best waterfalls in Australia. Wallaman Falls is Australia's highest single permanent drop waterfall, located in Girringam National Park, west of Ingham. Surrounded by World Heritage rainforest, Stony Creek plunges 268 metres in a clear single drop, often through a rainbow-fringed cloud of mist. The colossal Jim Jim Falls is Kakadoo's biggest waterfall, coming in at 200 metres in height. During the tropical summer, heavy rains fall across Kakadoo, submerging vast tracts of land and fueling these massive falls. The only way to see Jim Jim during this time is by air. As Kakadoo moves into the dry season and Jim Jim dries up, it's possible to walk through monsoon forest and over boulders to the base of the falls. Even in a region known for its magnificent waterfalls, Erskine Falls stands out. A short diversion from the Great Ocean Road and 15 minutes from Lorne, you can park close to the 30-metre cascade or enjoy it as part of a longer secluded walk through lush rainforest. Around 90-minute drive from Brisbane, one of the Gold Coast's most stunning waterfalls awaits. Best visited after some rain when it's truly impressive, Purling Brook Falls still flows all year round. It's located in the UNESCO Heritage Gondwana Rainforest of Springbrook National Park. Pouring down the slopes of Mount Field and wrapped in rainforest, Russell Falls was at the heart of the creation of Tasmania's first national park. Part of the Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area, the waterfall features two main drops pouring into a pool surrounded by tall tree ferns. The iconic and spectacular Mackenzie Falls is a must-do for all visitors to the Grampians National Park, located approximately 270 kilometres northeast of Melbourne. Mackenzie Falls is one of the largest waterfalls in Victoria. Flowing year-round, the falls sea water cascade over huge cliffs into a deep pool, sending fine sprays of rainbow mist high into the air above a stunning gorge. Crystal Shower Falls, located in Toorongo National Park, is easily one of the most beautiful waterfalls in New South Wales. It is set in a magnificent old-growth forest and has a fantastic suspension bridge to view it from. You can also walk right behind the falls. Located in Litchfield National Park, the spectacular Florence Falls cascade into a plunge pool, set in a pocket of monsoon forest. Enjoy the easy 3-minute walk from the car park to the scenic viewing platform high above the falls for panoramic views of the gorge, Open Valley, Florence Falls and the waterhole below. Wander through lush subtropical rainforest to views over the spectacular Morans Falls and down Morans Creek Gorge. Located in the Green Mountains section of Lamington National Park, 110 kilometres south of Brisbane, Morans Falls tumble 80 metres into Morans Creek Gorge. The falls fluctuate between a thunderous roar after rain to a gentle trickle in the drier months. Nandroya Falls is a stunning 50-metre vertical plunging waterfall located in the rainforest valleys of Wooroonuran National Park, 1.5 hours southwest of Cairns. There are palm trees and tropical vines covering nearly all sides of the large valley clearing, with the pool at the bottom being deep enough for a refreshing swim. An impressive tiered waterfall, Toorongo Falls is surrounded by towering gums and lush ferns in the Toorongo Falls Reserve. Take the 750-metre, mostly uphill track to the viewing platform to watch the water tumble over the rocky cliff face into the valley below. Dangar Falls is a cascade waterfall located across the Beilsdown River about 1.2 kilometres north of Toorongo in New South Wales, Australia. The water cascades 30 metres into a large deep pool below and is especially spectacular after heavy rainfall. Let us know in the comments if you have any awesome waterfalls to add to the list. Share this video and subscribe to First Class Travel for more travel inspiration.